Are you ready to find out which Forex brokers have the lowest spreads in 2024? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 Forex brokers that offer the tightest spreads and lowest fees so you can maximize your trading profits. Let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5 is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is one of the most user-friendly brokers out there. The account setup is quick and fully digital, which means you'll be ready to start trading in no time. With Pepperstone, you also get free deposits and withdrawals, so no hidden fees. Plus, their educational resources are some of the best around, making it ideal for beginners or experienced traders who want to keep learning. And if you ever need assistance, their customer service team is always ready to help. Coming in at number 4 is Global Prime. Global Prime offers some of the lowest Forex fees, helping you keep more of your earnings. Opening an account with Global Prime is quick and straightforward, so you'll be set up and ready to trade in minutes. They also don't charge for deposits or withdrawals, which makes it a great choice for those who want to minimize extra costs. And if you ever have questions, Global Prime's support team is responsive and helpful. In third place, we have Trade Nation. Trade Nation is known for its zero-fee deposits and withdrawals, meaning you won't lose money on unnecessary transaction costs. They also have great educational tools and resources to help you make informed decisions on every trade. Trade Nation's customer support is top-notch, so if you have any questions or run into any issues, they're ready to help you out. For traders who value great support and low costs, Trade Nation is an excellent choice. Coming in at number 2 is CMC Markets. This broker is a top choice for low spreads, which means lower trading fees and more profit potential for you. CMC Markets has a high-quality trading platform that you can access both on your computer and mobile device, so it's perfect for trading anywhere. They also offer advanced research tools and educational resources, so you can improve your trading knowledge every day. If you ever need help, CMC's customer service is responsive and friendly. And finally, at number 1, we have Fusion Markets. Known for offering the absolute lowest spreads, Fusion Markets is perfect for traders who want to maximize every trade. Opening an account is super fast and easy, so you'll be up and trading in minutes. Their customer service team is very supportive and quick to respond, which is always a plus. If low spreads and great service are what you're after, Fusion Markets is the top choice in 2024. So there you have it, the top 5 Forex brokers with the lowest spreads for 2024. Each broker offers something unique, whether it's low fees, great support, or a powerful platform. Which broker will you choose this year? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.